reservation on Booking.com, follow these step-by-step instructions to handle cancellations properly. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Booking.com, or open the Booking.com mobile app on your device. Step 2. Sign in to your Booking.com account using your email and password. Step 3. Click on your profile icon or the menu, then select Bookings or My Reservations to view your upcoming trips. Step 4. Locate the hotel reservation you want to cancel from your list of bookings. Step 5. Click on the reservation to view its details, including cancellation policy and any applicable fees. Step 6. Review the cancellation policy carefully. Some bookings are free to cancel, while others may incur charges depending on timing. Step 7. If you wish to proceed, click Cancel Booking or a similar button on the reservation details page. Step 8. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You'll receive a confirmation email from Booking.com with your cancellation details. Check if you're eligible for a refund based on the property's cancellation policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.